Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Thursday, February the 21st. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions for me, you can use this email address, and this is a link to get into our room, our free trading room, 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our room. And I open the room every morning, 9 o'clock Eastern Time. That's when I start to share my screen, get live on the mic at about 9:05. And I go up to 3:30, Mondays to Thursdays, and up to 3 o'clock on Fridays. In the email you're getting, you'll see a promo code for 15% off either the first month of a standard or premium subscription or the entire year of a standard or premium subscription. Well, let's take a look at this one. I did not get into this one, unfortunately. This is ZSAN. Came up with a little bit of news in the pre-market, and we saw this one. It's a migraine drug, I guess, and it was phase 3, so lots and lots of interest, obviously. Probably should have got involved right there, a little red bar right there. I was watching, but many people in the room took this one. Take a look at it on the daily. I had an issue, I thought, with that 200-day moving average. It just went through that like nothing. There it is at 370. I thought maybe there might be some resistance up here. Again, went through that like nothing. It has pulled back a bit, 515. It's at 543 or 553 right now. Let me just bring this up on a 15-minute chart. So here, there's that 370. So the 370 was right there. There's the 200-day. You can't see it on this chart, but that was the 300-day, the 200-day moving average, and it just went right through it like absolutely nothing. Now, just want to show you a couple of things here. Devon, just want to use this as an example. Now, unfortunately, I did short this one and I covered right here because I was going on a break. If I wasn't going on a break, I would have held on a little bit more. But the reason I want to show this one to you is that take a look at the SPY. Can I have all these up and running at the same time? Hopefully I can. I hope this doesn't, hope these charts are able to be there. But anyway, if you look at, yes, okay, so look at XLE, OIH, and the other one, XOP. These are three of the energy sector ETFs, okay? Now, look how they were falling. Now, never mind this, but look how they were all falling. I think they're all going to be about the same. Falling, and XOP, falling. Look what the SPY was doing at that time, okay? Now, never mind this. Finally, those sectors started to run a little bit, but this is what the SPY was doing at the time when those were moving down. So when I saw Devon, DVN, and Devon came on my up big yesterday, but down today. All right, there it is. Unfortunately, I can't show you exactly the first time because this is showing me the last alert that I had, okay, but not the first one. But I ended up taking this short right around here. I think it was 29.80, 29.88. And look how it tracked what the sector was doing. The sector was or those three ETFs were doing. And then finally, when the SPY finally started to move a little bit more, we've got a little bit of a pop. But there were so many like that. There was SM. I think CRC. There were many. You see what they were all doing, following the sector. So the point of this is that if you see the SPY kind of even moving slightly higher or really basing a little bit, and yet you see some sectors that are continuing to move down, you should be looking at stocks in those sectors, in my opinion, if you're looking to short anyway. And that's basically what, obviously I was alerted to it because of this, but when I saw it was when I saw that it was an actual, in fact, let me just show you what the daily looks like and why this was alerted. But when I saw that it was an energy stock, I thought, okay, well, let's hop on it. Energy is weak right now, and this is why we got the alert on it. So even though this had a big sell-off yesterday too, that was another reason why I thought, okay, this could be a little bit juicy. This had a big sell-off yesterday, so this was earnings yesterday. So even though yes, it was up quite a bit, but look how much it traded off. It hit a 32.56, and it closed down here at 30.28. All right, so that's why this candle is red. It closed down below the open, and then it's continuation. So yes, up big yesterday, but down today, and that's what that particular that's what that particular window, that scan is looking for. These sort of things. Now the one I didn't take, unfortunately, from the kind of the flip of it, was down big yesterday, up big today, and man, that was WWW again. I think the original alert probably, I think it came right on the whole number break, right around here, actually right around here, and it has just made a nice little move higher and higher. So, and I just want to draw your attention. I mean, really, the purpose was just to show you that, if you're watching the SPY and the SPY is moving, and yet you see some sectors, and how I've got these sorted. I mean, look at gold. Remember yesterday, gold was awesome. Remember gold, awesome, and then it did trade off at the end of the day when the FOMC minutes came out. Okay, but gold was awesome, and now look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. I mean, it is just really tanking here. I mean, you can tell how I got this sorted is that if a stock is right near the low of the day, you'll hardly see a sliver of white. You see how XLE? If I click on XLE, there's the low. That's why you're starting to see some white here because it's not at the low. But gold, this ETF is almost. I mean and because it's such an expensive stock. I mean it's only 4 cents off, so that's why you just see a slight little bit of white there. A top sector was the tech sector. I'm sorry, the tech sector. Look at tech. Look at a run it had. I mean the market is still down today. So, but anyway, it's important in my opinion to keep an eye on the sectors. And if you're going to get into something, take a look to see what its sector is doing, especially if it's not an earnings player or doesn't have any specific news for it, because it more than likely will track the sector that it's in. Again, unless it has an earnings or some news such that it may not care exactly what the overall sector is doing. All right, just want to close this down and bring my SPY back into my main chart. Move this off. All right, so if you have any questions for me, you can just fire me an email at this email address. I'll open the room tomorrow. This is a link again into the room. I'll open the room tomorrow at about 9 o'clock Eastern Time. So hope everybody has a great evening, and we'll see you in the trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.